Today we present to you ANENG's insulation resistance tester. It is a Megohmmeter plus multimeter 2-in-1 instrument. The appearance is similar to a multimeter. The watch pen card is here. Store well. It's easy to carry. There is a high-definition screen on the front. Long press this button to turn on the backlight screen and flashlight. It's okay to work in low light. Bring your own support frame. Standing on the desktop while working. The meter comes with a silicone protective cover. Effectively prevent breaking the instrument. The power supply is powered by three 14,500 lithium batteries. Battery charger included. There is no need to replace the battery frequently. Detect insulation resistance. Plug the watch pen comparison jack in here. Put alligator clips on them. Clamp the plug to be tested. Switch to 250V gear. Long press the test key to detect. Loose meeting holds the detected value. Here the value is higher than 0.5 mΩ. Indicates good insulation. We attach the other end with tin wire. Press this key to set the time. Here we set 15 seconds. Press the test key again to start the detection. The meter keeps ringing because there is a short circuit. Less than 0.5 mΩ indicates a risk of leakage. The watch pen has a high voltage output. 5-speed adjustable voltage output. We get a multimeter to measure its output voltage. Test 250V first. 15 seconds. Press the test key again to start the detection. You can see that the output voltage is stable. Let's take a look at 1000V again. The real output is up to 1000V. This is an outdoor light. The black pen clips the line. Press the test key again to start the detection. To check whether its shell has leakage. If there is a value below 0.5 mΩ, it indicates a risk of leakage. These are insulation aging. Test the insulation of the insulating gloves. The black pen is worn inside. The red pen touches the same position on the outside. It is good to test insulation under normal conditions. If you touch water, test again. The red pen touches the same position on the outside. At this time, the beep kept ringing. Then the insulation performance will not work either. DAR measurement. Determine whether the insulation resistance value of the equipment is affected by moisture. The meter will automatically calculate the insulation resistance value of the test for 15 seconds and 1 minute. When the value is less than or equal to 1.0, the insulation is not good. Pi measurement. The polarization index is because insulation is sensitive to temperature changes. For more accurate detection, long-term measurement of pi is required. The meter will automatically calculate the insulation resistance of the test for 1 minute and 10 minutes. When the value is less than or equal to 1.0, the insulation is not good. Insulation greater than or equal to 4 is the best. Insert the watch pen here. DC voltage detection. Select a battery for testing. Press this button to clear. Test another battery. At this point, the value is the difference between the two batteries. Easy to compare. Detect AC voltage. The mains power is around 220V. Press the hold key to hold the value. Press the cell key to switch to hertz. Detects the frequency of alternating current in hertz. Turn up the frequency with an instrument. It was also detected immediately. Resistance detection. Measure 180 ohms. 150K omega. IC high accuracy. Another 3 mΩ. And it's automatic. It is well suited for precision circuit maintenance. Before the capacitance is detected, be careful to discharge the power first. Accurately measure the actual capacity of the capacitor. Diodes. LED lamp beads can be lit. Check whether the circuit board indicator is good or bad. Turn off the beep. The line guide is ringing. What doesn't ring is not conductive. The line is broken. Insurance tubes can also measure good or bad. Temperature detection. Replace the temperature line. Touch the detection with the other end. It shows both degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit.